How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over the K-Force tow light bar functions. So like all of our K-Force full bars, you will have your takedowns and your alley lights. Now, when I activate my alley lights on my tow light bar, you'll notice that I have my two rear work lights here as well, and those come standard on our K-Force tow bars. And then here I have my traffic advisor, so I still have my center out, left, right, and right, left traffic advisor as well, and then my cruise functionality, and then along with the warning functionality of the light bar. Now you do see two blank modules here in the back, and that is for your stop, turn, tail function. So with the three cables coming off of the cable harness that comes with your light bar, you'll have your yellow cable, which will activate both of your lights back there, which are steady burn red, and then you have your red cable, which will activate the left light, and then you have your black cable that will activate the right light. So you have your stop, turn, tail functionality there as well. And then you will have another cable harness here, and this is your aux cable, where you can add up to 10 amps of additional lighting, and then you can use your aux switch here on your Supreme control. And for example, here I'm using our handheld Supreme control. You can activate those extra lights with your aux switch here on or off. So you'll see we have plenty of functionality with our K-Force tow light bars. Make sure to check out the product pages for the full product demos, and also check out our interactive players where you can demo your product as well. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.